Hello Chosen Ones! In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Lotus Shard in Witchspire. To find Lotus Shards in Witchspire, you'll need to be fairly deep into the main story, as this resource only becomes available once you've reached the desert island, located far to the northwest of the beginner island. If you look at the map here, you'll see that I'm currently inside a mountainous region. From what I've found during my playthrough, Lotus Shards most commonly spawn inside small caves rather than out in the open. My current location is just south of the desert hearth, with the hearth itself placed at the location of the first abandoned hearth in this area. Assuming you followed the main story marker to get here. From my observations, Lotus Shards tend to appear near these flower-like crystal formations, specifically the lotus crystals. Whenever you spot these crystals inside a cave, make sure to check the surrounding area, as Lotus Shards are often scattered close by. And that's everything you need to know about how to get Lotus Shard in Witchspire.